In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see someone's shared calendar in Outlook 2025. Step by step. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, which works whether you sign in at outlook.com or go through office.com and open Outlook from there. Start by signing in to the correct account for the calendar you need, such as your work or school account if it's a colleague's calendar. Once you're in Outlook, switch to the calendar view by selecting the calendar icon on the left side. That opens the full calendar page with your calendars listed in the left pane. On that left side, look for the option labeled Add Calendar. Click it to open the calendar options. From the choices that appear, select Subscribe from Directory. This tells Outlook you want to connect to someone else's calendar that's available in your organization or address book. You'll see a search box. Type the person's name, or if you have it, their email address to narrow it down. Outlook will search your directory and show matching results. Pick the correct person from the list. After you've selected the right calendar, click Add. Outlook will subscribe you to that calendar and place it in your calendar list. Usually under a section like People's Calendars or Other Calendars, it should appear color-coded alongside your own events. If you don't immediately see the events, make sure the calendar is checked in the list to turn it on and give it a moment to load. If you don't have permission to view that calendar, Outlook will prompt you with an option to ask for access. Click Request Access, and Outlook will send the person a sharing request. They'll choose what level of detail to share, and you'll receive a confirmation once it's approved. Until then, you may only see free busy time or nothing at all, depending on their settings. A few quick tips can help. If search doesn't find the person, try typing their full email address or confirm you're signed into the same organization where their calendar lives. If the directory option is limited in your account type, you may need the person to share their calendar with you directly from their share button. If events don't show up right away, refresh the page, ensure the calendar is toggled on, and confirm your time zone in settings so appointments display correctly. And that's it. You've added someone's shared calendar, and you can view it side by side with your own for easier scheduling and visibility.